Hello and welcome back, my crypto familiar, MrBlockchain22 here. This video is gonna have an illustration on how to stake your XDC node. Right now I'm doing it on Apothem, which is the test network for XDC. A few things you're gonna need is your Coinbase address, which can be obtained from your node. If you don't know how to get it, there's another video I have, and there's documentation on how to retrieve your Coinbase address from your node. You're also gonna need 10 million XDC, whether it's for the mainnet, if you're staking 10 million XDC for a standby node, or if you're doing it for to support the network on the Apothem testnet, and you want to stake your node, you can do so as well, requesting 10 million XDC from the faucet, from several faucets that we have available. Additional to that, you're going to need the KYC document, which can be obtained from the link I'm going to show you here in a minute. And what we're going to do, you can log into your masternode with your XDC Pay or the XinFin web wallet, or via hardware wallet, which I'll show you as well. But let's move on. Right now I have a node, B22N test node 2 on Apothem, and I'm going to stake the node with 10 million test XDC. I already have my Coinbase address. I already have my XDC on my XDC Pay wallet, and I also have my node showing online. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to masternode, and here you're going to log in. So I already have my wallet with the on the Apothem network, the testnet, and I have the amount of more than the amount of XDC required, which I requested from Blockscan faucet. There's a post on XDC.dev, and it's also a post on Twitter on the requirements to obtain a large amount of XDC on the testnet. So I'm gonna log in, and it's gonna give me several options here. It's gonna give me XDC Pay, either private key or mnemonic phrase if you have created a XinFin web wallet. You can also log in via Ledger wallet or Trezor. So I'm going to select XDC Pay. That's where I have my XDC for the test node. I'm gonna save this, and it's gonna launch my wallet. So I'm gonna go and scroll down, and I have to select my XDC node Apothem, which is this wallet. By the way, this is the XDC Pay 2.0 from Blockscan that I've been testing, and so far it's been working flawlessly. So I'm gonna hit next, and I'm going to connect the XDC nodes Apothem, which is this wallet, to the site. I'm gonna hit connect, and it automatically gives me my account address or my XDC address, my balance on the account that I connected to. I already KYC this wallet, so I don't have to, but you're gonna have an option here to upload here on the right, where now it says withdrawals. You're gonna have an option to upload your KYC. So if you have your KYC document, all you have to do is click on it, search for the file, upload it, and it'll basically change back to this right here, right? So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna click on become a candidate, right? So this option is gonna become available once you KYC, because I already KYC. I have another node on testnet that I already KYC'd for, so it's not asking me for it. So now what we're gonna do is it's gonna take 10 million XDC from the wallet, and I need to input the Coinbase address. This connects your node on testnet or mainnet to this wallet, right? And the smart contract is gonna pull 10 million XDC. It's gonna lock it for you, and you're gonna become a validator or a standby node on either testnet or mainnet, whichever network you're doing it for. So I already have my Coinbase address for this node, and I'm going to paste it here. Right now it says XDC, but it will automatically change it to 0x, and it's gonna give you an arrow down here. So you're gonna hit apply. See how it says run Coinbase address format, so automatically changes to 0x, and it's gonna propose 10 million XDC. And again, this is on testnet, right? So I'm going to confirm this. And it says you have successfully applied, and it goes away. So now I can go to here, right? Become a candidate. And actually, let me go back. And I have this node here, right? CB01. I'm just making sure that this is the Coinbase address I inputted. So it already shows up as a standby node. Now, if I were to click on here, right, it'll show the honest address, which is my wallet that I use to connect to the masternodes page. And it's also gonna show me my Coinbase address, which is the node that came from the server or the node that you stood up. One thing that you can do here is you have the option to change this to reflect any name that you want to. So in this case, I'm going to type Blockchain22 Networks. And this is node 2 for that. And my data center location is in Canada. And I know that because that's where the database, the data center is at. And I'm going to, actually, you can input any information you want here. I'm just going to do in this. And I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to hit submit. And I'm going to sign for that transaction to occur. Now, you don't have to do this, but this is only if you want to change how the name is displayed on the network. So right now I have the first node that I stood up and I staked a few minutes ago. So yeah, that is how you stake your nodes.